Country of origin: United States. Model number: 1200R9067. Item package dimension: 9. 799,999,990,004 LX7. 699,999,992,146 WX2. 699,999,997,246 H. Item package weight: 3. 1,512,876,169,751 pounds. 18. 2-wire battery cable. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Top reviews from the United States. Quality item: rebuild kit for Fill-Rite fuel pumps. I lucked out as I found this rebuild kit at Amazon warehouse, and although I have had issues, many with their warehouse, I took a chance and I got lucky. The kit was of great quality and nothing missing or wrong with it for half the price of a normally priced one. Thank you Amazon for that. If you need this kit, it comes in a manufacturer's box even.